Alright, so this is the Redragon K556 RGB LED backlit wire mechanical gaming keyboard, aluminum base, 104 standing keys. As sizzle on the Amazon description. So I'm just pointing out some stuff that it has on the front of the box. I went over that way too quickly to actually show you guys, but look, the box that it comes in is amazing. It actually has a name, but I cannot pronounce it. It's called like the Devarajas or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, so nice box, very nice looking box. You know, Redragon, the actual name of the keyboard. The back of it shows you the keyboard again, and a little bit key features. I'm just trying to change the light effect. I apologize for that. So some features right there. It says high quality LED backlit mechanical keyboard. It's spill proof. That's amazing, actually, especially if you have it on your office. Like I said, nice box that it comes with. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. I do want to say that this is not like a technical review, because it's just not. It's not like, I'm not gonna go into depth with it like other tech YouTubers do. This is just an unboxing and a review, my personal opinion about that. So right out of the box, we get a huge look at the keyboard and some accessories that comes with it. On that note, I do want to show you guys something that it came with, but I did not have it inside the box, as I have been using it, of course. So the thing that it comes with is, you know, a Redragon logo that says thank you for buying the stuff, and obviously the manual to how to use it in various languages. And something that was very important with this was a DVD that came with it, or a CD. And this has the software for this keyboard, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Okay, well, inside the box we have this little small box that it comes with. I was trying to show you what is this referred to, and that refers to the do-yourself kit, in which it comes with 8 spare switches, which include the blue, brown, red, and black switches, which is pretty cool, honestly. Let me just go ahead and open this up. And there you go. It's pretty neat that it comes with extra switches, honestly. Just me messing around with them right there. But the actual keyboard is 2 brown switches. Alright, let's see what's inside. And of course the accessories to take out keys, and also you could take out the actual switch. I'm just trying to show you with the pictures instead of the actual keyboard. Let's see here. And last but not least, we actually have the keyboard itself. It's wrapped up in bubble wrap. Well, not really wrapped up. It's just like covered in such things. The cord is like it's regular plastic with this thing and the USB, of course. It's USB, of course. It looks thick and very strong in terms of it won't rip, break, or any of that stuff easily. And look at it, the keyboard. Beautiful. It's amazing. It has some weight to it, I'm not gonna lie. And then here's the back of it. Not too much in the back. It's pure flat, except with the little stands there, as you can see. But yeah. Alright, so like I said, it's the K556 from Redragon. It's a really nice keyboard for the price. And like I said, it does have brown switches, so it's pretty good for typing and gaming. So office and gaming. Well, if you're in a small cubicle. I'm not sure if your other coworkers would like the noise, as it does make some noise, but not as much. It has multiple RGB modes. It's a super colorful keyboard, super duper colorful. The LED lights are really actually pretty good. They're like strong enough to like you can see them. It's not like dim or anything. They get pretty light, and obviously you could change the way it looks. So it does have 6 theme backlights, and then with that it has 18 lighting models. And so what that means is like every theme you could change it to either like a specific color or change it something completely different. You could change the speed of it, and you could change the brightness of it. So many modes, so many customizations. It's amazing. And this is just like a straight out of the keyboard. Now right now I'm gonna show you how to use the software that it comes with. That it's used for macro settings and for also lighting designs. I hope you can see the software good. So there's different profiles, and then the lighting effects, and also the key settings, and also right there, as you can see, macros. I'm not gonna get too much into the macros. I'm just gonna get into the lights. So without even touching your keyboard, you can change with all the different modes that it has and themes. So as you can see, it has a lot. Very beautiful. And also, like I say, you could change what type of colors that you want it to light and show. Obviously you can change all of this. Here at the very bottom though, so yeah, it's like a wave, and then you can change the color of it. But here at the very bottom, you could customize it on your own. I think you can customize it on all of them, but I like to use this one. Why? Because it's for like gaming, pretty much. Your WASD, your number pads, you could customize all the colors and stuff like that. So that's how I have it. So it's really good for gaming, like, you know, and that's how you use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and comment if you did. This was a quick unboxing and review. I mean, I was gonna show you some of the gaming stuff, but you get the point. It's a keyboard, amazing keyboard for a good deal. Peace.